One who has why can bear with any how. Here there are two significant words, why and how. Let's understand these two, the most important word, one by one. So why talks about the objective, the purpose, the reason behind doing anything that you are doing in your life already, or any habit that you have already taken up and you are doing. There must be some reason, there must be some purpose behind doing that, right? For an example, say you want to take up a habit of book reading. Congratulations if you have decided. But before starting this habit, do you know why you want to read book? What is the reason that you want to read book? What is the purpose? So, for an example, for me, book reading is gaining knowledge. Book reading is gaining more wisdom, learning more about life, or understanding life well. So my why is clear. I know why I have started book reading, right? So once my why is clear, now coming to the second word, how. How here literally it does not talk about how you are doing things, but here it talks about the obstacle, the problem, the hindrance that you will be getting in the way of doing something. Here it talks about the same. So for an example, reading book is sometimes unpleasant feeling. Everybody does not like reading book. So initially you will feel some problem. You will be feeling uncomfortable. There would be an unpleasant feeling. But once your why is reminding you that why you started book reading, then you can easily overcome that obstacle or problem, because you know the reason you started book reading was you wanted to gain more knowledge. So you will not stop by just getting one problem, because you know the purpose of starting this habit. So here why is very very significant. If you know your why, you will not stop anywhere. So let me ask you this question: whatever thing you are doing in your life, do you know why you are doing? If you know, well and good. If you don't know, then try to find the answer. All right. Thank you. This is Piyush signing out until we meet again.